Hey everybody, how are you? It's Susie here and I'm so excited. Welcome to day one of our accountability and support group. Today is the day of a new beginning, a new journey for you, and a new journey for me going through this with you. And I'm really excited and I'm so proud of you for taking the time to commit to yourself. I know for me, committing to my fitness and my health and eating better has benefited my family, my children, my spouse, my friends, and everybody around me, and it's helped me to be a better coach for you. So congratulations on committing to yourself and taking this time. I want to let you know and be an encouragement to all of you that this is going to be a challenging week, and that's normal. You're making a lot of new choices this week. You had to spend probably a lot of time in the grocery store trying to learn the new food items you're going to be eating and figuring out where they're located and what aisles they're on, and probably going back and forth and here and there trying to find it. You might have had to even go to some other stores for your produce or different spices you're looking for. It's also going to be a little overwhelming learning how to do all this meal prep stuff. It's okay. Don't stress about it. Just do it. Meal prep is really important because what you'll find is, and as you start going through this process, that if you don't do the meal prep, you're going to make bad choices when you're in a hurry. And we all tend to be in a hurry, and this is Busy Women Get Fit. So we're definitely in a hurry, and we're looking for time savers. We're looking for ways to do things simpler so that we do make good choices, and we're more productive in our life, and we lose the weight we want, and we get fit the way we want to. So make sure you do that meal prep. I do all mine on Sunday night. I cook all my meats. I cook all my oatmeal, and I steam all my vegetables, and I put all my veggies that I'm going to munch on during the day in little individual servings. And I do that by getting some color sandwich baggies, and I'm going to post later today where you can get those and what they look like. And I put all my servings of my meat in a single red bag, and I put all my servings of my vegetables in little green bags, so that when I'm heading out the door, or even in a hurry because I've got a consultation on the phone or the computer or something, I can just grab that baggie and have it right here by my desk, and I don't make a bad choice. So make sure you do that food prep. Yes, it's going to take some time on Sundays or Mondays, whatever day you want to do it on, but it's going to be worth it. And remember that as we go through this process and we go through this journey, that's exactly what it is. This isn't about an overnight fix. You're going to stumble, you're going to fall, but you're going to stand back up and you're going to walk again. So don't get discouraged. If you haven't done your meal planning and your meal prep, do it today. Sit down, write down what you're going to need, go to the grocery store, pick it up, and get enough cooked for just the next 5 days. And then when you get to the weekend, you can regroup and do it for the week. If you need help with your meal plan, please reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you. I want you to succeed. This is important to me. Your success matters to me because I know how much it's going to impact you as a person in all areas of your life. Physically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, you are going to be a different person in the next 30 days. So anyways, be of good cheer, be encouraged, make sure you plug in here all the time. And I bless you, and I highly favor all of you, and this is going to be a great journey. So talk to you soon. Bye-bye.